already chaotic. Easy breezy. It's Hi you guys, I'm so happy you're here. My name is Rian. Welcome back to my channel. I am currently in my PJs. I've come home after a long day. I spent my entire morning and afternoon at an event. It was so fun though. Like, I think that's the most fun I've had at any event in so long. It was so beautifully prepared. I don't know, it was just perfect and they thought about everything so much. It was genuinely so fun and so gorgeous. I'm sure you saw it on my Instagram, but it was a Nykaa and Nude Sticks event. It was like a whole proper sit down brunch. The food was great, the vibes were great, people were great. It was just a good time. And yeah, it's around like 5:30 now. I actually got home really late. The event ended at like 3:30, but I had ordered a couple of things from H&M and they said they were arriving tomorrow. So I went to the store to actually buy the stuff, and then when I went to the store in Santa Cruz, there's a really big H&M store there apparently, and it was supposed to be really cute and it was 2 minutes away from where the event was. So I went there and they didn't have any swimwear or beachwear and I was so disappointed and I was like, shit, what am I gonna do now, because my package hasn't reached, it's not there at the store. And then I bought other stuff from H&M because I was like, okay, anyway I need things for the trip, like just basics and airport clothes and tank tops and stuff like that. And then I reached home and my package also reached and I was like, thank God. First of all, I didn't buy the same thing, and second of all, that my package reached in time. So yeah, I'm so happy things worked out. There's one more package that's coming tonight from Amazon. You know girls, we shop a lot before the trip, even though I'm literally gonna go on the trip and shop there because I'm literally going to Bangkok to shop. So I don't know why I've shopped so much before, but it's all just stuff I need, okay? I need it. Anyway, I'm literally leaving for the airport tonight at midnight, like around 12:30, and I have not packed at all, like not at all. So I jaldi came home, changed into pajamas, and I sat and took out everything I think I'd want to take with me. Luckily I already have a lot of swimwear and beach clothes and stuff because I love beach vacays and I do that a lot. Like every time I take a vacation, it's usually a beach. So yeah, I've laid everything out. I'm gonna show you all my process and how I pack, and yeah, that's it. Let's do it. We don't have too much time. I don't even know what the time is. Where is my phone? Oh my god, it's like 6 PM and you know, packing is not just packing clothes, it's packing makeup, it's packing jewelry, shoes, bags. There's so much to do. Okay, let's do this. I like to take everything out and lay it on my bed so I know exactly what I'm taking, and then I keep it in categories. So like these are all my bottoms, like my shorts and my pants. Then those are like the sarongs and scarf. Those at the back are my airport clothes. Then these are all my swimsuits. These are my bags and a couple of accessories that I have to take. Obviously I'm gonna add more stuff. Then these are all of my dresses till here. These two are quad sets, and then all of this is like tops and shirts and stuff. So everything is like nicely laid out. This way I can see like what matches with what as well. So I kind of have a vague idea of like how I want to pair stuff up. I also have my footwear lying here. These are my rubber chappals for the beach, and then like just some white flat, and these cute little kitten heels for the night in case we go to like a nice dinner place. All of them are like super neutral because I just like want to be able to repeat it easily. I have my suitcase here as well, so I'm just gonna sit down, show you everything that I'm packing. Okay, I have my suitcase here. It is so wrecked, but it is literally my favorite. I've used it so much. It's the perfect size, perfect color, perfect everything, but like getting a little old, not gonna lie. I'm gonna open this up and show you everything I have now. Okay, please don't mind my outfit. I'm literally in my pajamas and I just don't have it in me to like look cute right now because there's so much to do. And also I know my pajamas are not cute, but like who wears cute pajamas every day? Like normal people wear big oversized old t-shirts every day. But anyway, okay, so we're gonna start with dresses. This is the first dress I have. It is really cute, very pretty. It's like that. It's long, it's crochet. Obviously I can't wear this in Bombay, and I got this from Bali especially for like my beach vacay. So that's dress number 1. Then I have this navy blue dress. Whoa, this is already chaotic. It literally hugs my body. It is so pretty. Like there's nothing too crazy about the dress, but it just fits me really well, and I think that's really important when it comes to clothes. Again, it's like a full length maxi dress. Then the next one is the only short dress that I'm carrying. It's really adorable. I ordered it from Ireland, I think. The back is really cute as well, and it's just like a very unique print, and I think I need at least one short dress. I love how most of my clothes still have tags on. Like I really like just save clothes for the right moment. I don't like wear them as soon as I buy them. I don't know how I have that sort of self-control. The next dress is this white one. It's like this crinkled fabric and it's really long again. The back is super sexy. It's literally backless. So cute. Again, it is a little see-through. Can't wear it in Bombay. Have to wear it at like a beachy place. So yeah, those are my 4 dresses. Let's do swimwear now. I have this bikini, which is really cute. It has cutouts on the side. It's a very cute mustard yellow. It's not a color I wear a lot, but it looks nice. These are the bottoms. Again, it has cutouts on the side and it's like pretty high-waist and nice. This next one literally screams ocean. Look at that. It's like a blue and white tie-dye vibe. I love it. It's so bright and like fun. And these are the bottoms. It's just like a regular maxi set. The next one is this green one. I'm not really a fan of this triangular shaped bikini look, but once in a while it's fine, just for like a different vibe. These are the bottoms. The last 2 bikinis that I showed you, like the blue one and this, are both from Primark, and such a good buy for the money I spent. It literally would have been like 4 or 5 pounds, which is literally like 500 rupees. This next one is the one I ordered from H&M, and it literally reached today in the evening, so I'm so grateful. But it's this plain black high-waist bikini bottom with this white bikini top. The straps are here in the center and just like ties around your neck like that. It's really cute. I wanted something in neutral colors and also high-waisted because most of my bikinis have like low-waist cuts and they are very bright and colorful, so I wanted something more simple. And I also have this bikini top which I got from Portugal, and it literally looks like it's a denim top, but it is a bikini, and I've actually worn it as a top multiple times and it's great. I'm taking it as a top, not as a swimsuit, but I could also swim in it. So okay, that is it. Let's move on. When I travel, I usually create a lot of content, so because of that I carry some like poppy colors and like statement outfits, but as a personality in general I am a very neutral girly, and I find it easy also to like pair clothes when it's like white and beige and brown. Like that's my go-to palette. But also I'm going to a beach place, so I want a few like pinks and greens and yellows, you know. But for bottoms, I've tried to take as neutral as possible so I can pair it with anything. This is the first pair of shorts, obviously just like plain blue denim short, mandatory. Then I have these which are like light blue linen shorts. If you all watched my pack with me when I was going to Goa, these shorts, I took them and they looked so cute and they are so like beach summer coded. Then I have these white linen pants which are very nicely folded, so I don't want to open. I have another pair of shorts. These are just like very comfy and breezy to chill in, and you can like wear it at the beach and stuff, and it's fine if it gets wet, like it'll dry up soon. So those, which were beige, and then another pair of beige linen pants, but this one has a nada. That's different, like it'll make the looks look different, okay? So yeah, those are my bottoms. Let's now move on to tops. I have this bright orange crop top. Honestly, on camera it doesn't look as neon, but in person it is super neon. I bought it. I've only worn it once and I just refuse to wear this color in Bombay because I don't know, I just will not wear this color in Bombay. I don't know why I bought it, but now that I did spend money on it, I'm just going to carry it and wear it in Thailand because that just seems like a place where you can wear a neon orange top. Some of my packing happens like this and that's just the truth. I have this basic white crop loose t-shirt. Just got it from H&M today for $3.99. Worth the money. Very chill. I can just throw it on top. You know, when I don't want to think about an outfit, you need some basic stuff. You can change your mind. You can change your mind. I think this is the only super fancy top I'm carrying. It's a very pretty corset and it is so island girl coded. I love it. Next is this white strapless top. As you can see, I have a lot of white because it's very easy to pair with stuff. I'm carrying 2 shirts. This peach one from Uniqlo. It's half sleeved and it's super quirky, the color. And then one white basic shirt. Again from Uniqlo. They literally have the best shirts. Next, let me show you my sets. I can obviously break these up and wear them however I want to, but at the moment this is the set. I have this skirt. It literally has stars all over it. It is adorable, and this is actually not a set. I've just made it a set. This top, and I feel like it'll go together perfectly because the pinks literally match. Like the pink star and the pink top is the same shade, and honestly I've owned this skirt for so long but I've struggled to find a pink that matches this pink, and you can't wear a third pink with 2 pinks. Anyway, so this is a set. And then the next set I have is from this brand called Neffs. It's really nice. I think they sent it to me in PR actually. Look at the top, it is so tiny. Again, backless, you just like tie it all up. And this skirt whoa, it's like a midi skirt and it has a tie at the waist. Cute, but I don't know if like y'all can understand how it's supposed to look on me, but y'all will probably see in pictures anyway. Next, I'm carrying a few scarves. I can use these as like a sarong or a top or anything, just like depending on how I tie it and where I wear it. But I have this really pretty one that I actually got from Thailand the last time I went. It is shiny and green. It is such a pretty green. Like, I love this color. It screams beach. And then I have this orange-ish yellow one. Looks like a dupatta, but I promise it's not. Like, imagine me wearing this as a as a top. It could look really cute. Then I have this really funky scarf. I love the colors and the print. Sorry, my dad's best friend is in Bombay and I just went to say bye to him because he's leaving tonight. But yeah, those are the stores. This one is so pretty, like the print and stuff. If I wear this as a top, obviously you already saw my footwear. I'm just gonna pack all of this now and then pack my makeup and jewelry, skincare obviously, undergarments. Wow, I think I'm actually gonna be sorted. There are actually a few clothes that are with the tailor. As you all know, obviously all my clothes get altered. So they went like literally yesterday. They're coming back today in the evening. Evening already actually. It should be here at any time now. I'm feeling so overwhelmed because I feel like I had to do this really quickly and like, you know, but we managed. We got this. I'm carrying super chill airport clothes because it is my #1 priority to be comfortable. I want to feel like I'm in my pajamas. I don't care who is looking at me. I just want to be comfy. And so I have a few clothes here. We also have an other flight because we're going from Phuket to Bangkok in the middle at some point. So I need extra clothes for that. Now I have this pair of butter yellow sweatpants. They're very cute. I've actually worn them a lot. They are very, very comfy. I'm going to do this with either this striped tank top or maybe just like the white tee that I carried and showed you all earlier, just like the loose white t-shirt. And then I actually bought these pants today from H&M. They are really cute. This is just a pair of wide leg pants. It has no button, no like nada, nothing. It's just elastic, and the elastic is also not too tight, so it's very like comfy to sit and chill on a flight. It literally feels like pajamas. I'm not even exaggerating. The same white t-shirt that I bought it in black as well. So I'm probably gonna do the grey pants and the black t-shirt tonight. I have this other t-shirt again, H&M. I'm probably gonna wear this on the way back with the grey pants again. So yeah, those are all the clothes I'm carrying. Let me show you the bags I'm carrying now. I have this really cute basket bag. I've made it a point to carry bags that fit stuff. Even though this looks like a small hard bag, it fits my camera and my gloss and stuff, and that's all I really need. Then I have this bag I got at AYCS. Muski, Satlu, Kanch and I all bought the same bag together, so we've all been carrying it a lot. It is really, really adorable. Again, fits a lot of stuff, so I can just like dump things in here. As you can see, everything is very beach and pool friendly. This is the vibe I'm going for because, you know. Then I got this bag today only from H&M. The tag is literally still on and it is so cute. It's cane but also like brown, and it has a little potli in the center and also has like a long strap for it to be a sling. I saw this and fell in love with it. Like, I was like, there is no way I am leaving the store without this bag. It is just adorable and I see myself carrying it so much, especially on a trip. So yeah, those are the 3 bags. Everything is very cane and beach. And I have this bag which is my fake Prada that we got from Bali on the trip with Kanch and Satlu again. And all of us got matching fake Prada bags. This is what the situation looks like at the moment. So now is my time to get everything in order. Okay, the clothes that I've gone for alteration are back. I'm just going to show you quickly. I have this really cute baby pink tank top, just like cute color palette vibes. And I have these pants. Do you see how I conserve my clothes? All of these I have not bought now. I bought them months ago, but the tag is still on. I have an occasion in mind for when I want to wear them, and the tag stays on until I wear them. But yeah, I have these white pants that are like crinkled and long and cute, again a little bit see-through, so I can wear like my swimsuit inside and then wear this on top. I have this really cute skirt. Again, it has a tag on. And yeah, look at that, very cute, lots of frills, and it goes all the way down, super like asymmetrical and colorful. That's all. I'm done. Let's pack. makeup. This is such a weird change for me, but this is usually the pouch that I carry when I'm traveling. It's like a see-through makeup pouch. I'm very used to this, and I haven't been able to part ways with this pouch. But I actually got a new pouch today only from the Nykaa event. It says Nykaa Nude Sticks, and it also has my name on it. There was this really cute girl there, like literally hand painting everyone's pouches. It seems like a very nice roomy pouch. It has like a, you know, so I'm just going to put my makeup in this. I'm not carrying too much makeup, so I might also just dump some skincare in here. But let me show you what I'm taking. This is another brush that I got today only from the event. So I'm carrying this. Then this is my concealer brush. This foundation brush, even though I'm not carrying foundation, but I am carrying a skin tint. So, and this is a blush brush. Carrying these four. This skin tint with SPF from Bobbi Brown. My favorite Too Faced concealer. NARS concealer. Rare Beauty highlighter. These three blushes. One is pink, one is coral, and one is brown. Two mascaras. One is from Espresso, one is from Clinique. This mascara is actually really good. This is black and this is burgundy. Contour stick from ELF. Bronzer from Benefit. Powder highlighter from Fenty Beauty. These four lippies. This one is from Lancome. This one is from Clinique. This one is from Bobbi Brown, and this one is from Morphe. Two lipsticks, two lip glosses, and that's it. Okay, this pouch is huge. Forgot about my pressed powder, and also a beauty blender and a dabby thingy. What is this called? Triangular puff. I also switched pouches. That pouch was way too big, so now it's in this. It's another pouch that I got in PR, and I just love these pouches. They are so cute. I'm packing all the jewelry in these tiny little pouches. I'm just taking like a bunch of gold earrings and a few studs, stuff like that. 9:04 PM and I don't have the time to explain everything, so I'm just gonna put this in time lapse and let's finish packing. I forgot to put a few things in, like my eyelash curler, my medicines which I just put in now. I'm gonna put my chargers in, like my laptop charger and stuff, because I don't need to like hand carry that. And then I also switched out one of the cane bags for a black bag and the big brown Prada fake bag for a cloth tote bag, because you know it's just too heavy to put in this bag and I really want to shop on the way back. Guess who forgot to film the outro? It is the next day and I've arrived in Thailand. Yay! I literally started like the next vlog also and I realized that shit, I haven't shot the outro for this vlog. So I'm just here to say that I'm so happy that you packed with me. And I hope I packed right, because I feel like I've forgotten a lot of stuff. Like after finishing filming the packing with me, I realized I didn't put in any pajamas. Then I switched out some bags. I did some TP jhol. I did like a lot of stuff and I realized that I've forgotten a lot. That is just a result of last minute packing. Don't be like me. But yeah, that's it. I'm gonna end the video here and you can wait until next week to watch my Thailand vlog. Yay! Okay, chal, bye. See you.